Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an owner to Gusto Payroll Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add an owner because you want them to help manage your Gusto Payroll. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you actually get a $100 Visa gift card sent to you. Now, in order to add that other owner, all you've got to do is click on the bottom left-hand corner where it says your company profile name. Next, go ahead and click on owners. And then from here, go ahead and click on add owner. And this is where you can actually go ahead and add another owner to your Gusto Payroll account. So business owners are basically someone who owns at least 25% of your company. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an owner to your Gusto Payroll online account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.